Hey, g'day guys. Thanks for your interest in our Level 1 Certificate in Hypnotherapy and Psychotherapy course. We're going to explain a little bit about what you can expect to learn over the 5 days that you're with us. So this is a real basic course for those that have never been in the industry before, or maybe people that have never had the right training and still don't feel confident enough to go out there and do the job. So it starts really with understanding mindset and how important that is to establishing a rapport and understand that people are all different depending on their backgrounds and the types of traumas that they've had to deal with in the past. When you understand that, and especially about yourself as you learn, then you can build that empathy towards people, but also know where you need to go to as far as building structure around sessions is concerned. The other thing you're going to learn is from the start to the finish, how to conduct a session from the time someone inquires and gives you a call and you sit down with them or on the phone with them and have a chat with them over 15 to 20 minutes and try to establish what it is that they need help with, to putting a proper robust session together to be able to help that person.
We're going to teach you the correct inductions to be able to learn to really give someone an amazing experience of being hypnotized. This is not just about, I want you to close your eyes, I want you to relax, and you're going into a meditative state. We're actually teaching you proper hypnosis inductions so that someone without a doubt will know that they are being hypnotized. And they'll be quite blown away by the process, to be honest.
The other thing is this, and you're learning to put together sessions, you're doing those sessions on people that have got real problems, even though they are one of the other students on the course. Everyone comes to these courses needing some help in some area, and this is a prime time over the 5 days to start getting rid of some stuff that maybe has been holding you back and learning at the same time.
The other thing that we're doing is we're hypnotizing you guys as a group every day on the course. That's what we're starting the course with. And these are real clinical hypnotherapy sessions that we're taking you through.
Sure are.
So like Paul said, you can come with all of your issues and your habits and your fears that you want to get rid of, and we'll help you do that over the 5 days.
It's a great course. No one that's done our certificate course has not moved on to the next level because of the way they've loved the structure around what we do. All right, so if you're interested in becoming a hypnotherapist, or you just want to help heal yourself or help some friends and family, then jump on board. It's a fantastic course, and it's a great living too. Once you've actually certified, you're able to go out and help some people. It's amazing how many people you can help with this modality. It's phenomenal.
This first level is all about helping you transform, helping you change, but at the same time teaching you the skill set to empower you what your subconscious mind is actually capable of being able to do.
We look forward to having you on the course. Click the link, book a chat with Tan, and let's hope that we get to see you on one of our upcoming certificate courses. Thanks.
See ya.